4x4 parity is annoying. So today I'll be going over them and hope you enjoy. So let's get on with today's video. So this is the first one, and I like to do this so that these two are opposite and these two are matching. And what that does is you don't have to do the extra U2 at the end. So to do this one, you just do slice, U2, a slice, and then do UY2, slice, and then just do the UY2. This one looks like a normal Z-perm, but it's not. These two are solved, and then these two are flipped. So to do this one, hold a solved side on your left, and then these two on your right, and then move this to this side. So just like that, and then do that kilo parity algorithm. And then you just insert this with the inverse section. This is the last one, which is called OLL parity, and it's pretty common. So to do this one, you just do this. And that finishes off. I hope today's video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the notifications so that you never miss a video, and yeah, so see you at the next one, and you can watch some of these videos up here for more tips and tricks, and yeah.